The Federal Trade Commission is taking actions that will hinder the fight against cancer. It's time to abolish this destructive agency. Hello, I'm Steve Forbes, and this is What's Ahead, where you get the insights you need to better navigate these turbulent times. The Federal Trade Commission was created over a century ago, ostensibly to protect consumers from fraud and corporate monopolies. Unfortunately, this government body now is doing more harm than good and should be terminated. One deadly example of how the FTC is hurting the public instead of protecting it is its unprecedented and underhanded actions to block a biotech deal that could hasten the availability of a new form of cancer testing that can detect numerous forms of this dread disease before there are symptoms. The acquiring company, called Illumina, wants to acquire a company called Grail, an outfit that has developed a type of test that can detect 50 different kinds of cancer with a high degree of accuracy. The test itself involves only drawing blood. It's a perfect fit in that Illumina makes the equipment to process the tests and can assist Grail with getting FDA approval, not to mention dealing with other potential obstacles. Yet the FTC has gone all out to obstruct the merger, even going so far as colluding with antitrust officials in Europe to delay or kill the deal. How in the world can you claim a monopoly for a market that doesn't yet exist? Turns out other companies are working on tests that might compete with Grail and want to use the FTC to help out by hobbling Grail. By delaying the introduction of life-saving testing, the earlier the detection of cancer, the better the odds of besting it, the FTC is engaging in lethal and immoral behavior. While the Illumina Grail issue is particularly egregious, the agency has been behaving erratically and in a high-handed manner for years. For instance, the Supreme Court recently ruled 9-0 that the FTC was acting illegally when it not only obtained an injunction against companies the agency thought were engaging in fraud, that's fine, but also imposed stiff fines that over time ran into the billions of dollars. The High Court said the FTC can't impose fines without going through proper legal procedures. The FTC went after a high-tech titan, Qualcomm, and was rebuffed not only in federal court, but was also opposed by the Justice Department. The agency is notorious for acting as prosecutor, judge, and jury in actions that it brings, and high-handedly pressuring companies and individuals to get the results the agency wants. The FTC's activities, especially antitrust, can be turned over to the Justice Department. In the meantime, the White House and Congress should pressure the FTC to cease its truly pernicious acts against Illumina. I'm Steve Forbes. Thanks for listening. Do send in your comments and suggestions. I look forward to being with you soon again.